I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks will lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step and foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would.
So I got these. Unicorn size, of course. Yeezy 700 Carbon Fade. Left shoe first, baby. These are all right. I didn't realize that they didn't come with boost in them. Here they are on feet. Ashy ankle view. On feet, on feet. They are a little bit snug around the ankle with a sock on. These are very thin socks too. They're a little bit snug. Lengthwise, they are just about right, but widthwise, they are very, very snug. And for that, I don't think I'm going to be keeping these. I think I'm going to return them. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.